Hello everybody and welcome to all of you. Earlier to this we have made an unboxing video of a HP laptop. Now this is the unboxing video of a laptop accessories kit. It has 15 elements in it. Let me just turn this for you so that we can see the various elements that are provided in this. So first is the sleeves in which you can keep your laptop. Next is a USB universal serial bus, mouse, headphone, USB vacuum cleaner, USB 4-port hub for attaching your pen drives, flash drives. Next, 4-in-1 card reader in case you're having any card reader, adapter or a 3-pin plug which is also power supported. Next is a USB fan which can be used for the laptop or you can use to cool yourself. Next is USB LED light, you can use that in night. Cleaning kit, a mat to place your mouse, which is also a mouse pad. Next is a keyboard film which is very essential to keep your for the long life durability of your keyboard. Cable manager, cable winder, and again a cable manager. Let me just unbox it and show it to all of you. See, this is how this looks completely. I'll just remove all the elements and show it to you individually. This is how it looks like. We'll start with the one. This is a headphone. This is the card reader having 4 slots. This is the LED light. This is the light. This is the USB fan. Both of these are USB supported. This is the power plug 3-pin. This is the USB 4 slots are provided over here. Obviously this will be USB 2.0, not 3.0 or 3.1, which is the latest one. Next is the USB. This is the keyboard protection film. Next, this is a vacuum cleaner in order to clean the keyboard, the various essential small components of the laptop. This is again a cleaning kit for the screen, specifically for the screen. These are the cable managers in order to hold the wires, hold the cables. This is the USB mouse, again 2.0 USB. This is the sleeve in order to place your laptop inside. This is the USB mat. This is the cable winder, again cable manager. So this is what it is. This complete set will cost you 1000 bucks, 1000 rupees.